Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. I recently did an unboxing of this Chevy 2 Rat Packer, and I think I'm going to make this my next build. And I'm going to take you along with me and let you know of any issues or difficulties that I run into in the build. It is, you know what, I don't even know what year this kit came out. It's been a while. I think this one came out in the 90s. Well, it doesn't matter. We'll figure that out later. This is kit number 30105. And I'm going to go ahead and open her up and see what we got. I'm going to go ahead and dump it right out. Doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of parts to this kit. $1998 is the tag, the date on the decal. So this kit is from late 90s. So I'm going to go ahead and get her started, start separating parts, figuring out what color I'm going to paint it, and then I'll get back to you. Well, it's pretty funny, guys. I cut all the the molded in grayish white parts off the trees, and there's only 50 parts. Now the only thing left is the glass and then the chrome tree, but all of this adds up to only 50 parts. It's kind of funny, and I'm not even going to use any of these tires, but I pulled them off the tree because I'll put them in my spare bin. I'm going to get some nice rubber wheels for the car here, and that's it so far. We'll be back with another little update. Well, here we are so far, folks. About an hour later, the engine is together, the interior and lower chassis all built, put together. Exhaust is together. The only thing now is to decide on a color and then put the final chrome pieces on. The only thing left really, aside from these little bits here, are just the chrome parts. Slap it all together. Be right back. Well, there you have it, folks. That's the Rat Packer. If it wasn't for the paint, this kit would have been built in about 3 hours. But because, you know, obviously I got to wait for the paint to dry and the glue to all set in, it took me a day and a half. But the actual build time, I think I've got maybe 3 hours in it. It was wonderful to build. Everything went together very easily. The only real issue I ran into was the glass. Let me see if I can show you. The glass was like too long this way, so the little bars that connect the front and the rear glass, I just cut them and then cut out a little chunk of them, of each of the bars, and then the glass laid down there fine. So that was no big deal. Part of modeling. But that was it. Everything else was just like, man, this is cool. It went together so quick. And then the engine. See if I can get it picked up without any damage. The engine went together really quick. Very basic. There's not a lot of detail in there, but it come out decent. You know, it's a nice wall hanger or shelf dust holder, whatever you want to call it. I like it. It's a Nova, you know, one of my favorite cars. So, thanks for stopping by. Wish you all a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.